Morning, pure guys, pure brothers. Last week was blessed. Welcome to another. We prayed over our body parts last week because they all work together as a team. May our thoughts be holy. May our hearts be clean. May our eyes, our ears, our hands see, listen, and touch what is right. May we not walk in darkness with our feet. May we walk in the light. When we are faced with opportunities to sin, may our neck be swift to bounce. Remember, trials, tests, and temptations, they come without being announced. Remember, you are created in the image of God. You are chosen. You are separate. You are different. You are set apart. By God's grace, you can and you will win the fight. But don't step out this week casually. We don't step out to war casually. We put on the full armor of Jesus Christ. It's another week. It's another win. It's another opportunity to say yes to purity and no to sin. We don't hold on to last week's events. That's history. We step out this week with God's strength. And by God's grace, we have the victory. You have the victory. I have the victory. God bless you guys. Have a great week. You're a winner. Bye-bye.